Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're excited to share why the Lahome Vintage Fall Hallway Runner Rug has earned the title of the best fall runner rug. As the seasons change and we embrace the cozy vibes of fall, a stylish and functional runner can truly enhance your home decor. So, let's dive into the details of this beautiful rug and explore what makes it a must-have for your space. The Lahome Vintage Fall Hallway Runner Rug measures 2 feet by 10 feet, making it a perfect fit for various indoor spaces, such as your kitchen, hallway, or entryway. What sets this rug apart is its exquisite vintage design that captures the essence of fall, making it an ideal addition to your seasonal decor. The geometric patterns are not just visually appealing, but they also blend seamlessly with a variety of interior styles, from rustic to contemporary. Crafted from a soft faux wool surface, this rug offers a plush feel that's akin to stepping out onto a cloud. Its dense surface provides comfort underfoot, ensuring that whether you're cooking in the kitchen or greeting guests in the entryway, you'll experience warmth and coziness throughout the season. Plus, the fabric is designed to be non-shedding, meaning you won't have to worry about fibers cluttering your floors. Functionality often goes hand in hand with aesthetics, and this rug excels in both areas. The non-slip backing ensures it stays in place, providing stability and safety, especially in high-traffic areas. You'll appreciate this feature, particularly in busy households where kids or pets may pass through. Furthermore, for those concerned about maintenance, the Lahome Vintage Fall Runner is washable. You can easily toss it in the washing machine, making it hassle-free to keep clean and fresh. One of the key considerations when choosing a rug is durability, and this runner does not disappoint. Its stain-resistant qualities allow it to withstand the spills and messes that can occur in a bustling living space. The combination of quality materials ensures that the rug maintains its vibrant colors and intricate patterns even after repeated washes, so you can enjoy its beauty throughout the fall season and beyond. As the term vintage suggests, this rug has a timeless quality that supports a range of decor styles. Place it in your kitchen for a warm touch, accent your hallway with its charming appeal, or use it in your entryway to welcome guests with a bit of seasonal flair. The colors and patterns evoke the essence of autumn, harmonizing beautifully with other seasonal decorations like pumpkins, gourds, and fall floral arrangements. In summary, the Lahome Vintage Fall Hallway Runner Rug is not just another decorative piece. It's a blend of style, comfort, and practicality. Whether you're looking to elevate your fall decor or simply want to add a warm, inviting touch to your home, this rug embodies everything you need. Catch the beauty of fall underfoot and transform your space today. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. We hope this review helps you make an informed decision about embracing this season's charm with the best fall runner rug. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful product critiques. Happy decorating, and see you in the next video.